2JZ, man, in a truck. Can't beat that.
MoeTheDriver. Dangerously
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Today I got a little something different for you today. Let's see. So there's the Hellcat. Of course, you guys have seen that a bunch of times. But check this out. This, my friends, is a 1998 Toyota Tacoma, also known as Toyota Taco. This is my new project. This is going to be a 2JZ big turbo, single turbo race truck. So trying to run sevens in it. What we got right now is this old beat up truck. I got this for $1,300, ladies and gentlemen, pretty cheap. So look, check it out. Broken light here. Got the steelies on. Look at this. They put paint over the paint. I mean, look, got some rust spots here. We rusted out here. Of course, everybody knows that 90s Toyotas had this problem. Look what I got, dude. Look, missing a stud. I drove this 2.5 hours from Kansas City to here with a stud missing. Crazy. Look at that frame rust. Awesome frame rust, man. Look at that rotted out. We got some more rust back here. Look at this. Look at this craziness. Look at this, rusted out. It had all kinds of little stickers and magnets and stuff back here. And this side right here, it looks like the truck was in some kind of accident. Does have a clean title, but like nice dents here. I'm gonna try to pound that out soon. And we got some more rust here, more frame rot, of course, and a little dent here in the door. So looks pretty cool, but it is messed up a little bit. And look at this, bumper missing, whole part of the bumper kind of broken off. But check it out, I'm gonna get a whole new one coming in today in the mail, and I'm gonna replace all this stuff. And then we're gonna, I got lights coming today too, and we're gonna get it back together. And I already have the motor. I already paid for it. It was $699, so like right at 700 bucks. $1,300 truck, $700 motor, and we're gonna do some rods and pistons on the motor, drop it in here, big turbo, and we're gonna see how fast we can go in the Super Taco. Basically a super engine in a Tacoma, right? So it's gonna be fun as hell. We're gonna run classes, kind of keep it in full street trim with the, we're not gonna use these seats, but everything else will stay dash and all that stuff. We'll put a TH400 transmission in here, and we're gonna fly down the road. So we'll see how that goes. That's the new project. Stay tuned, ladies and gentlemen. Make sure you follow the Instagram at The Real 2J Taco. The Real 2J Taco. No. What is it? Yeah, The Real Taco 2J. Like Taco Tuesday, but better. Right? So follow that on Instagram, The Real Taco 2J. Like Taco Tuesday, but better. And there's the Scion over there. And here is a Corolla over here. So Toyota, 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 Dodge. Huh. Very interesting. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share the channel. You know, I mean, you're gonna see all kinds of cool shit because we're about to go real fast in this Super Taco. So like, subscribe, share, and stay tuned. And I mean, hey, 2JZ, man, in a truck, can't beat that.